Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into memes, crypto, and everything in between, you're gonna love this one. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy the viral Popcat meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Let's get into it. Head over to Paytree and log into your account. Select USDC on Solana and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Enter your Solana wallet address. You can use wallets like Phantom or Brave. Just copy and paste your address carefully. Time to complete the payment. Paytree will guide you through using Interac e-transfer. It's a quick and easy process. Click on Pay with Interac, then select your banking institution from the list. Log in and accept the transfer. Once the transaction is complete, the funds should appear in your Solana wallet. Please note that this process can take up to 60 minutes. Next, we need to use a decentralized exchange that supports Solana-based tokens. For this, we'll be using Jupiter Exchange. It's one of the best aggregators for Solana, meaning it'll find you the best price and lowest fees. Now let's make the swap, find the selling field, select USDC, then in the buying field, paste the Popcat token address. Enter the amount of USDC you want to swap, confirm the amount you will be receiving, click swap, approve in your Phantom wallet. Once it's complete, you will receive Popcat coin in your wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.